So hello friends, hope you are enjoying my class. So today we are going to discuss about tenure and the conditions of the president's office. So let's get started. Tenure and conditions of president's office. Discuss about the tenure of office. The term of president, or you can say as per Article 56 subsection 1 of the Constitution, provides that the president shall hold office for a term of 5 years from the date on which he enters upon his office. Okay, so from the date of his appointment, he can hold his office for the period of 5 years. If he wants to resign, he can resign any time by addressing the resignation letter to the vice president. He can, thirdly, he can removed by the impeachment. Guys, impeachment, I am going to make a video separately on this impeachment of president. Now, impeachment means is removal for the violation of the constitution. That means whatever oath the president took, if he violates those things, like if he violates the constitution, or if he if he do any type of fraudulent activity, then he can be removed from his position. And lastly, he can hold his office beyond the term of 5 years also, until the successor takes the charge. So someone comes in his place and takes his charge, till then he can hold his office. What are the conditions of president's office? There are 5 conditions of president's office. First is, he should not be the member of either House of Parliament or House of State Legislature. So there are 2 House, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So he should not be the member of either House of Parliament as well as House of State Legislature. Next is, already we have read under the qualification that he should not hold any office of profit. That means he should not be any other job under central government, state government and local authority. Thirdly, he is entitled to use his residence, that is Rashtrapati Bhavan, without paying the rent, without payment of any rent. So no need to pay any rent. During this tenure, he can use that residence. He is entitled to such emoluments, allowance and privileges as determined by the Parliament. So what do you mean by the term emoluments? Emolument means a salary, fee or profit from employment of office. Okay, so he is entitled to get that, as well as allowances and any other benefits or privileges as going to be determined by the Parliament. And lastly, his emoluments and allowances cannot be dismissed during his term of office. So during these 5 years, whatever his emolument, salary, fee as well as other allowance is there, that cannot be dismissed during his tenure of office. So these are the conditions of president's office.